Hi everyone! Magandang gabi! Tonight on Learn Tagalog, let's learn 10 most used Tagalog phrases. Let's start! First one, let's start with Tara na! Tara na! Let's go now! Or you can just say Tara! Tara! Let's go! Tara! Let's go now! Tara na! Second one, let's eat. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. And if you wanna say, I just wanna add, let's practice with the first Tagalog phrase. Tara, kain tayo. Come on, let's eat. Third one, mahal kita. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. I love you. Fourth one, if you're missing someone, miss na kita. Miss na kita. Miss na kita. Miss na kita. Or you can also say it in Taglish. Miss you na. Miss you na. Goodbye. Paalam. 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 But we also use the English word a lot. Bye. Bye. Paalam. And we have ingat. Ingat. Ngat. Ingat. Take care. Ingat. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Or you can say, Salamat. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. 8. If you're about to go and you wanna say, I'm gonna go now. Alis na ko. Alis na ko. But the proper way to say that is, aalis na ako. Aalis na ako. But sometimes, or let's say most of the time, we just use the root word alis and then shorten the pronoun ako. Alis na ako. Aalis na ako. Last 2. Okay lang. Okay lang. It's okay. Okay lang. And last one, sandali lang. Sandali lang. Sandali lang. Wait a second. Also, another way to say that is teka. 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 Or sandali lang. Alis na ako. Paalam. Ingat. Maraming salamat. Ayan lang para ngayong gabi. Paalam!